Welcome to my Texas kitchen. I'm Susan Apple, and today I'm making a trio of cauliflower. I like to cut them I put it from upside down. Got that big stem in the middle. And of course I washed them earlier. Okay, so there goes that big stem. Then I just take these individual little pieces and cut out that stem. Because I think the secret is to having little pieces, you know, like you want these little tiny pieces, or much better than big chunks of cauliflower. And I just try to get most of the big stems out on the bottom. I think those are kind of bitter. So we want the best part of the cauliflower. Aren't they gorgeous? For years and years I've been cooking and carpooling with my kids, my 4 kids. Really, it's easy to cook. The challenge is cooking when you're carpooling and running to parents' night or going to school or going to volunteer. I just have tested different recipes and equipment and techniques to try to figure out where I can take shortcuts and save time, how I can do some of a recipe the day before, and just things like that. So then my oven is preheating to 450, so I'm going a really hot oven, and I'm going to put some olive oil on them. So here we go. I'm going to pour these right in here. You can see how that's looking. I'm going to mix these up just a little bit. TCU colors there. It really keeps in the refrigerator. Doesn't wilt right away. So it's good. And then if I have leftover, I could just make a soup the next day. So this is ready. And if you have a tight schedule, this is something you could do the night before. My extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on here, not too much. And I have some salt that is a little bit more of it's a coarser salt. So that'll be good on there. I'm going to sprinkle that on. And this will be my serving platter. And it's easy to toss on here with the sides. A piece of parchment paper on there. That helps for cleanup. It's eventually going to get a little bit stained. And my oven is preheated to 450 degrees. And then I'm going to just roast these I'm going to watch them about 15-20 minutes. And when they come out of the oven, I'll put them back on my platter and we'll have them for dinner. So, okay, please subscribe to my channel. And the recipes are on my blog, mytexaskitchen.com. And I have new recipes every week. So please join me and subscribe to my channel. And have a great day.